Okay, let's discuss from page 233. Okay, you may open 233. Okay, this is the questions about area and perimeter. Do you still remember what is the
233 bukannya 239.
Oh yeah, 239. I'm sorry. 239. Yeah, that's right.
takut juga.
Thank you, Icha, for what is it? Fixing
Miss.
for. Okay, yeah, let's start. Can we start right now?
Yes.
Okay, do you still remember? Belum selesai.
Aku ikutin aja, Miss.
Okay, just follow this one first. Okay, look at this. Use the dots. I think for Rajendra's class last week we already do this one. Yeah, I think about 2 or 3 pages. So it's good though. We can just start right away. Okay, look, use the dots to make a rectangle with a perimeter of 18. Do you still remember what is perimeter, class?
Yes, I guess.
For example, this one for number 2, yeah. The perimeter is not this one, yeah. The perimeter is not something inside this, but only the something around. For example, this one, 1, 2, because it is for 1 centimeter grid. So this one, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's just something around this, yeah.
Dicat benar, Miss. Berarti jawabannya 20, right?
Yeah. If you are correct, please mark it with with checklist. But if you wrong, please circle it, yeah, so that you know how many correct, how many wrong. Because this is because here we have centimeter already. You don't need to write centimeter anymore. Just write 20 right here, okay? So that when you are going to make a rectangle with a perimeter 18 centimeters, you need to have 18 centimeters in total for the round, yeah. So we are going to draw a rectangle that are 18 centimeters around. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, how could we make it, class? We need to make usually to find the perimeter, the length and the breadth you will add first, and then you will multiply it by 2. Or you can use this kind of formula. Perimeter is 2 times the length plus the breadth. So if this is 2 times, you can write 18 divided by 2 is the total of length and breadth. So 18 divided by 2 is the total of length and breadth. So now we have 18 divided by 2 is 9, right? So that later the 9 here will be the total of the length and the breadth. And when Miss Aini has 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already, I need 3 more to go down. Three more to go down, and it's like this. Okay, later you can check whether this one is correct or not by have by counting like the number 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 9 times 2 is 18. So it's correct, yeah. Okay, that's how for number 1. Or you can have other pictures like I'm going to use blue color. You can have a 7 times 2, 2. So you are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 2. It is 18 too, yeah. Or you can say 8 times 1. This one, I'm gonna use green. So when you have 8 and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this is 1. This one is also 19, the perimeter, yeah. So you may choose which one. Is this one, this one, this one, or maybe one more? Do you have any idea for one more? 6 and 3, 5 and 4, yeah. You can have 5 and 4 too. I'm gonna draw another line using another color, orange, for example. 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you can have this too, yeah. Which one do you choose? It's up to you. Are you choosing the blue, the orange, the red, or the green? It's up to you, yeah. Which one do you draw in your book, class?
The red one.
The red
The
one.
green one.
The red,
Red.
one.
Aku
Red
green.
one.
Red one. Mostly red. But yang mikir green maybe ya, that's good. That shows
Meh.
that you are out of the box. That's great.
Tapi agak aneh Miss bentuknya.
Nggak apa-apa, tapi bagus. Karena nggak sama pikirannya yang lain kan. That's okay. Okay ya, next we can go for number 3. Here are two 1 centimeter dotted grids, and we are going to draw a rectangle with perimeter 12. So it's the same with before, yeah. We can draw many kind of square. We can draw like 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we need to have the length plus breadth is 6. We can have 5 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 times 1. This one. Or we can have 6, yeah, 6. So 4 and 2, we can do that too, yeah. This one, 2, 4. Any other opinion, class? 6? Can we draw 3 and 3? I think it will be better not to draw 3 and 3 because this is rectangle, yeah. When you need to draw square, then you can write 3 and 3. But because it is rectangle, please just draw something like having the different length and breadth. Okay. Got it for number 3?
Yes.
Okay, let's go for 3B. Now it's a rectangle with an area 12 centimeters, 12 square centimeter. Can you mention what is the measure, class? Kira-kira ukuran berapa? There is several possible answer.
4 and 3.
4 and 3. 4 and 3 like this. And then what else? Any other
2
idea?
and 6.
2 and 6, yeah. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it correct? And then is there any other idea? Is it done? Only that one? Yeah, we can say here that 12 is 1 times 12, and then 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. So we can make this kind of what is it? This kind of thing, yeah. But you just need to draw one. Just choose one from all of this. So we can also make 1 times 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one is also possible. Choose one only. Choose one shape. Yeah. Can we go next? This one, yeah. What is the area of this rectangle, class? What is the area of this rectangle? Ichat.
18.
Okay, Ichat, what is their answer, chat?
Wait. Hmm,
We have this 6, yeah. We have this
18,
6
Miss.
and this is 3. So the area is 6 times 3 is 18. Correct. Okay, now what is this? Draw a rectangle with a perimeter of 12. Ini juga tadi udah ya. So let's just choose one, which the length and breadth is 12 divided by 2 or 6. So we can choose this one of this is this one. 4 times 2. You may also draw it like this. Or you may also draw it like 5 times 1. Which one do you prefer? Okay, till this one, any question first? 3 pages. Namira?
Oh,
Ya. Ara? Can we go next? Yes
Yes.
or not? Do you have any question, Rifa? Okay. Let's go to the next one. For this, here is a shaded shape on 1 centimeter square grid. What is the area of the shape? Oh, this is quite easy, I think. How do you do this, class? Can anyone help me? Right in the square, in the screen? Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Is it 16, class?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Thank you, Sarah. Okay, now, here is the parallelogram. Drawn as, use the squares to estimate the area of these shapes. Can you help me, Atta? Pardon? Gimana, Atta? Oh, nomor 7 belum dikerjain. Oke, how do we do this class? How do we estimate this one? Actually, there is a fast way
Dulu
to
yang kotaknya dulu, Miss. Yang full kotaknya.
yang full kotaknya. Oke, kita cari yang full kotaknya ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The full one is 18. How about the other?
Habis itu cari yang ininya itu cari pasangannya, Miss. Like
Okay.
Example-nya.
Oh, are you sure this is the this is
Iya.
pairing with this one?
Yes.
Kan ini, Fa.
Oh,
This one with this.
Oh iya, betul. Oh,
2,
I forgot.
1, and then this one with this. 2, this one with this. 3, and then this one. So this one juga ya, 3 ya. 4, 5. So this with this ya. Tadi berapa? 6 ya harusnya. 6 plus 6 plus 1, 7. Is it like this? Class?
Yes.
Is it like this? 25?
Yes.
Okay, so this is 25 squares, or when you have parallelogram, the area of parallelogram is the, what is it? The base times the height, yeah? The base times the height. So the base is 5 and the height is also 5. So you can find 25 squares. Okay. This is only for parallelogram, yeah. Okay, so number 7 is 25. Next. Okay, for this, I think it's very easy. Please, everyone, write your answer in the chat box. Please write your answer in the chat box for number 8. Okay, thank you, Sarah, Sheikha, Khaira, Rafa, India, Khaira, okay. Arkan, that's great, Fira. Pretty easy, yeah? Emily. Okay, for this, we can do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's very, very easy. 15, done. Okay, for number 9, it's a bit challenging because that is like a semicircle right here. Yeah, you still remember what is semicircle? Half circle, yeah? Okay, so can you guess, just estimate the area of the shapes. You may write in the chat box again. For number 9. Estimate the area of the shape. I skip this one. Okay, Rafa, okay. Raditya Dika. Raditya Atifa. Okay. Emily, okay. Kira ngechat ya, Haira. It's too far. Okay, let's see. We can estimate this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is 6. And this is 7. Yeah. And now the leftover one is 3/4 of the square of the, what is it? Of the circle. So 7 plus 3/4 of circle. We can say that this one, the circle, is not, it is not 3, yeah, but it is not 1. If we say this is 1, it's too small. But if we say this is 3, it's too big because it's not fill all the 3 one. So we can estimate that the 1, 2, 3 is about 2 or 2.5. Yeah. So when you answer 9, it's correct. Or when you answer 9.5, it's also correct. Yeah. So you just need to estimate. Okay. Yeah. You don't need to answer with the, what is it? With the formula of finding the circle. It will be wasting. Just look at this. Here is an irregular shape. Estimate the area. Kalau estimate itu nggak harus persis ya. Jadi kalau estimate nggak harus sama seperti itu. Fully like that. No. Okay, now for this number 10, everyone. Which one? Can anyone help me? Using stems, you may stem in which letter? In which one? Or Rafa choose 20. How about others? Oh, many of you choose 20. Is there anyone choose 15 or 25? 20, yeah. Okay. How do we get it, class? Caranya kan kita cuma suruh kira-kira ya. Jadi kita kira-kira aja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this is 12, 13, 15, 16, 17. 17, this one is about 3. So it's 20.
20.
That's right.
So the answer is 20, Miss.
Yes. Now number 11. What is the area of shaded shape? Arifa, how do you do this, Arifa? What is the area of the shaded? The shaded is the black one. Caranya gimana? What is the formula of area, class? Area.
Lihat atasnya, Miss. 1, 2,
The length, ya, lihat atasnya benar. Times breadth.
4 times 7. 4 times
4
7.
times 7.
28.
28, class, is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Ichan. 28. 4 times 7. Okay, now for this, have you measured with your ruler?
Yes.
Yeah, what is the length of this one?
Enggak pakai ruler.
Tapi
I
nggak pakai
write it
ruler.
5 centimeters, Miss.
Oh, you write 5
Yang atas.
What is the exact number, class? Exact numbernya berapa kira-kira?
I forget.
Bukan kira-kira sih, kalau diukur pakai penggaris berapa? 4 point?
I forgot unformable.
4.3,
That's right.
Oh,
And then how about this, the breadth?
2.6,
2.6. Okay, how about the perimeter? How do we do for the perimeter? 2 times
2 times the
4.3
2.6
plus
plus
0.6.
2.6.
Okay, or this is the same with 2 times. What is 4.3 plus 2.6?
2 times 4 plus 3.
2 times 4 plus 3. Hmm? What is it, class? 4.3 plus 2.6? 6.
13.8.
Belum sampai situ.
Oh,
6.9. Yeah, so the answer is 13.8. You may write in your book, yeah, if you haven't done it. Okay, now for this one, Blasi has some identical square tiles. She used 3 of the square tiles to make a rectangle. This one. What is the area of rectangle? How do we do this? What is the
Game ada ke
way?
Jogja.
Caranya?
Game udah ke Jogja, Dek.
Yang
Tadi
paling
pagi
gampang
kami
kita
antar.
tahu 6 kali 6, 36 ya.
Lupa. Ngapain, Dek?
36. And now we have 36 times 3.
Game udah pergi.
36. Kira, you may start the video, Kira. Rifa, Rona, Cheris.
Wait, Miss. Apa minumannya Albi tumpah?
Okay, so 36 times 3. What is 36 times 3, class? (36 times 3?
128.
128. Is it correct, class? Is it correct? Atta, is it correct?
108.
108.
108 ya. 108. Okay. Okay, now for this one. Find the area of the new shape, this one. Show your working. How do you do this, class? Caranya gimana ya? Okay, I need someone's help, please. Kenes, maybe Kenes. How do we do this, Kenes? This one and this one is the same rectangle, and we are going to merge them. Tapi ada satu yang ketindihan, berarti caranya gimana?
I skip that number.
Narai, how about Narai?
Yes.
How do you do this, Narai?
This one.
Mhm.
I didn't know that much about this one. I skip it.
Oh. So you have a lot of skipped number.
You just have to add.
Yeah, we need to add both of the area of this rectangle. We will know what is the area of this rectangle. This is the first rectangle, 8 times 5. So it was 8 times 5 before, and we have 8 times 5 and 8 times 5 rectangle. So that we have this one, yeah, 8 times 5, and that is 2 rectangle. So we will multiply by 2. 2 times of 8 times 5. What is 8 times 5, Kenes?
40.
40. What is 40 times 2, Arkan?
80.
Arkan?
80, Miss.
80. Okay, so both of these is 80 centimeters. But here, they are get merged and one of this shape is not seen. Ada yang nggak kelihatan. What
Yes.
do you think is the length of this one?
Wait.
Supposed to be 5, but there is only 3.
It's
2
2.
centimeter and 3 centimeter.
Yes, yes.
Meter, that's right. It's supposed to be
2
8,
and
but
3.
it's only 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So it's only 3 times 2. So what do we do with the 3 times 2? With this one.
Minus with 8. 80
Yeah.
minus with 6.
We will minus it because yang belakang ini nggak kelihatan. So the answer is 74. So we're gonna write 74 right here. Okay, because you need to show your working, make sure you draw this too, okay? Make sure you make something like this too. Okay, yeah? Remember, when you need to show your working, you really need to show it. Yeah? Okay, now we go to number 15. Everyone, please take your ruler and measure how long is this one.
3.
3, good job. And how if each side's 4.5 centimeter? What is the perimeter of my pentagon? The pentagon side is
5 times. What
Mhm.
is that?
Pardon? Apa?
5 times berapa? 5 times 3?
5 times ini 4.5.
4.5. It will be
so-
22.5.
Yeah, 22.5. Because the pentagon has 5 sides, yeah. So you will need to multiply it by 5. This is the regular pentagon, yeah. But if irregular pentagon, it can be different. Maybe it can be like this. Now, for this kind of shape, you cannot do something like 5 times the side. But for this for the regular one, it means the side is all the same. Okay. Next, yeah. Okay, for this one, class, what is the area of the rectangle for this? Very easy. Area is length times breadth. So, what is it? Kirana. Haira? Haira?
24.
24, is it correct? 3 times 9. 27, yeah. How about this? What is the perimeter of the large rectangle? Can anyone help me on the screen? We know that this is
It's 3,560,000 trillion billion.
no kidding.
Thank you.
Chat. What is the perimeter? Pardon? Abrar?
32.
32? Is it correct, class? 32? Okay, let's have this. This is 9. 3 is 9 plus the length 9 plus 3 is 12 times 2. So 2 times 41 21, yeah, sorry. Is it correct 32 or 42? This one, yeah. Okay, next. Go on. The perimeter of these shapes. Can anyone do this? Oh, in the chat box, maybe in the chat box. The perimeter. Okay, 54, 43, 42. Okay. Which one correct? 54, 43, 42. 42, 42.
The perimeter, right, Miss?
42, yeah. Many of you choose 42. Is it correct, 42? Let's see. Yeah. We can move yang ini. We can move it right here. Jadi ini udah nggak ada lagi. Untuk perimeter ya. And then we can move it up there. Jadi ini juga udah nggak ada lagi. Nah, sekarang udah jadi rectangle. Rectangle dengan with the length 12 and the breadth 9. So we can say 2 times 12 plus 9. But this is only for perimeter, yeah. It's not for area because the area will cover all of this. So we cannot do this for area. Okay, so what is 2 times 12 plus 9? 2 times 21, or this is 42. Gitu ya, Ava ya. 36. Be careful ya. Okay, but now for the area of the shapes, I'm gonna use red for the area 1. Okay, for the area of the shape, we have this one to be the separator. This is the first and this is the second. For the shape 1, for the shape 1, what is the area for the shape 1, class? What is the area for the shape 1? Apa? Ayo unmute, unmute. Kalau nggak unmute nggak selesai-selesai. Kita nggak bubar-bubar. Which one? This one?
Yeah,
Oh. Do you have any questions, Sheika?
I wrote 31.
How could you find that one? Oh, you must just add all of them.
No, I 6 times 4, 24. And
Oh, this is for area. That's correct, not for area ya. For
Oh,
this
iya.
area,
oh iya ya, oh wait. Okay.
for the area 4 times 6 is the area 1.
20.
Yeah, 24. And the area 2 is this one. 12 times berapa tuh? 12
times
berapa?
5.
5 because 9 minus 4. So this is 5. It's 60.
Oh, and the first one I only add them up.
Oh. So the area is berapa? 84. Oh, this is 84.
Miss, breaknya kapan, Miss?
Satu lagi, the last is. Ya, makanya cepat ya. One more. Okay, let's do the last, this one. How do we do this? A square pond is dug in a square grass. Do you know what is pond? Small lake ya. Small lake ya. It's kind of small lake. Kolam. Ada kolam di sini. Digali di tengah-tengah rumput yang berbentuk persegi. Calculate the area of grass that is left. This one. How do we do this, class? Show your working. Remember to show your working. Yuk, kalau sudah bisa ini boleh leave. boleh istirahat. Yuk. Okay, can you write your answer in the chat box? Oh, Rafa is working there. Okay, thank you, Rafa. 5 times 5 is 25. And then 12 times
Ayo Rafa, let's go Rafa.
is
Rafa
144.
carry. Let's go Rafa, you can do it.
Ayo Rafa, ayo Rafa.
Yang lain jangan
Ayo
cuma ayo
Rafa,
Rafa.
you
Besok
can do
nilainya
it.
mau dompleng Rafa apa gimana?
Iya, Miss.
Ayo Rafa, you can do it.
Serius
Ayo
loh Jen,
Rafa,
ini misalnya itu
you can
khawatir
do it.
banget loh nanti
Pave
sama
the way.
hasilnya kalian loh.
Ayo Rafa.
Ayo Rafa.
Okay, is Rafa correct, class?
Ayo
Yes, sudah Miss. Yes,
Rafa, you
sudah. Yes,
can
yes.
do it.
The answer is okay ya, correct. Yes.
Okay, ya. So 12, correct ya. 12 times 12 is 144. And
Ayo
then
Rafa, you
5
can do it.
times 5 is 25. We will subtract this. So we get 199. Dan okay ya, that's all. Any questions for this? No.
Oh.
Okay, so because there is no